Hello. Anyways, welcome to my channel, YouTube. Hello and welcome. Today we're going to look at 3 different blind bags. We got a Magic the Gathering with, I don't know if you guys can see that. Those characters available. We got Pain Party Piñatas. I think those are some of the ones available. And we got an Eternals mystery figure, a vinyl one. Here's all the ones available and the rarities. I got these all from the same Gamestop that I got the things from, that Boris set that I had gotten earlier. So yeah, let's unbox them. I'm going to unbox this one first. Don't want to stab myself again. Alrighty. Let's see which ones we can get potentially. Super common, hyper rare, and they are glittery. There's the common, and the chase. There's Hobbles, ready to start whacking back. Lollipop, once took 37 whacks before she cracked. There's Normanton, should have become a lantern like his parents wanted. There's Splits, just trying to keep it together. There's Jelly, a real sweet for brains, if you know what I mean. Patches, truly a mashed up basher. And there's Crawley. Some say he's on his last legs. I again know next to nothing about the Pain Party Piñatas. I think they're just some weird cash grab. So let's see which one I got. I have Crawley. He's a super common. I mean, of course I dropped him. I don't think there's a video I've done without dropping at least one of these characters. It's not bad looking. And of course I'm dropping everything. It just looks like he's pretty beat up. Looks to be like candy sticking out of him. Gum. I don't even know what he is. Some kind of kangaroo, maybe? But, yeah, he's kind of cute. He's actually pretty solid. So, alrighty. Let's see what I can get to the other 2. Let's do the Eternals one next. This one's a little bit easier to open. Of course, I don't know any of their names, but I will make the name of the character I grab up here. I have her, and she's a bobblehead. So I had a 1 in 6 chance of getting her. I'm taking she's a common of some sort. Usually, yeah, she's a common. not bad looking. No posability except for the bobblehead. Kind of reminds me of... Oh, do I have them over here somewhere? Nope. I think I got rid of, moved them somewhere. I used to have a Groot and... Yeah, Groot in the background. He was the same kind. But not obviously Eternals. He was Guardians of the Galaxy. Anyways, that's her. Like I said, I'll post her name when I edit this. Okay, and the final thing is Magic the Gathering. I used to play it a lot when I was younger. I even used Portal ones and a few other stuff. Oh, it's a keychain. Nope. So, I have had tons of them, but then the newer ones I started not interested in, and somebody stole a ton of my cards, and I just got disinterested anymore. So let's see what we have. We have Ashiok. It's not bad looking. Well built. I like these things. This is definitely going on my work bag. Where I had Hunter, the Ranger, Hank. From the last time I opened a bag like this. It's not bad looking. It really isn't. So there you have it. The 3 that I opened. Let me know in the comments which one's your favorite of the 3. And which ones I should do more of. If I can find them at such a cheap price. Because I don't think they'll have them anymore. Anyways, peace out YouTube. Have a great day.